everybody, Cassie here from Bulletproof Lashes. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about my method of micropore taping. In the whole 10 years I've been lashing, I've never used iPads. I've only ever used the micropore tape. I get asked by multiple lash artists on how I do this and why I find it more effective. So I'm going to show you guys a video on how much I cut off and how I apply it to the lower lash line. So if you guys have any other questions, just please comment below and I'll answer them for you. Okay, so firstly I like to try and find the end of the tape. That's the only thing that annoys me about these things, is that the tape end always disappears. So I will get the end of my scissors and just find the end. Now the pieces I use are about this long for all 4 pieces. I don't find that this tape ever leaves any fluff. I'm not sure about other brands, but this one here, I never have any issues with fluff. So that's the size you're wanting to grab for your 4 pieces. This first step is very important. I like to apply a small amount of pawpaw ointment under the client's eye, making sure it's not too close to their waterline, as this can cause the tape to slip. I apply this directly in their eye bag area. I do this for the comfort of the client, so that when application is finished, I can easily take the tape off without damaging or pulling at their skin. Now grabbing your first piece of micropore tape, I call this the drag and catch. Ask your client to open their eyes, and you're wanting to line the tape up only to where her natural lashes start, so not too close to the nose. You're wanting to drag the tape down, sticking and catching just the very tip of the bottom natural lashes, making sure you're not going too close into that waterline. As you can see, it's just the very end of the natural lashes. Now with your second piece of tape, I like to line this up on a slight angle, and using the same method, just dragging the stickiness down the natural lashes, only catching the very end of the natural lash. I get the client to close so I can tuck that tape down and place it down firmly. As you can see, my tape is not placed in a shape of an X. I stick the first piece down quite straight and then the second piece only slightly angled. Now using the same method for the other eye, just dragging and catching the very end of those natural lashes and making that first bit of tape quite straight across the eye. Your next piece is angled slightly. Using the same method, you're just dragging the stickiness of the tape to just catch the very end of the natural lashes. Let the client close so you can tuck that tape down to stick it firmly. I also like to reposition the tape. Just for the comfort of the client, I will grab the end of each side and lift up both pieces of tape and tuck them slightly down a little bit more. This just makes sure the tape isn't sliding up into the client's eye. And there you have my method of micropore taping. Now, when you need to remove the tape after application, it's very important to remove the tape piece by piece. I like to start in the inner corner, first removing the top layer of tape and then the second layer of tape. Now the pawpaw has created a barrier on the skin, and you'll find taking the tape off very easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any further questions, please comment below.